Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit differently. We're going to be buying the least expensive thing on williamsonoma.com. I'm going to get the item, try it out, see if it's worth it, see if I like it. Let's get going. Well, what are the odds that the cheapest item on their website would be a cookbook, especially for a Vitamix blender? Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you know that I definitely like to use my blender. Let's just get this cookbook opened. And here it is. It's actually kind of a cute little book. I like that it's not huge because I can definitely slide this somewhere in my kitchen and it would look nice. It's funny, even on the back they changed the price sticker. So, full price, this book is $14.95. I bought it for $1.99. Now, it's called The Perfect Blending Cookbook. This was developed by William Sonoma's Test Kitchen. And yeah, this weekend we're going camping. So I'm just going to pick a couple of recipes from this, and we're going to make them in the camper and see if the book is worth $1.99. Well, we've got our cookbook here and we're out camping. Now, I've got to be honest, when a book is called The Perfect Blending Cookbook, I thought that it would be a lot more recipes that were just throw it in the blender, click a couple buttons, and then they're done. But it's not. A lot of these recipes include like a stove and a blender or another cooking method and a blender. But I did pick a couple. I am going to make their recipe for guacamole, and then they have a sriracha glaze out of this book that I'm going to make. Let's get started. Now this guac is pretty good, pretty simple. Really, it just tastes like lime juice and avocado. It's a really good jumping off point for your own recipe. But yeah, it worked pretty well in the blender. I did have to push it down towards the blade, but that was most likely just due to my blender being a little bit older. Now, one thing this cookbook does mention is a really good tip for cleaning your blender. So all you do is get some water in there, and since I'm going to use it again, I'm not going to put in the dish soap, but I do have powdered dish soap I could put in there. And now if you just run it, it'll get all of that stuff off the side, and then you'll just have to dump out the dirty water. Well, that sriracha glaze was to die for. It is super spicy, and that guacamole is pretty good too. So this book, I do believe, is worth $1.99. I still can't believe it was that cheap. Now, I do wish there were more recipes in here that only required a blender, but even the ones that require a second cooking source still seem pretty easy and they look pretty tasty. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.